Ready? It's time. QuizHubLab. Ready? Quiz time.
Only 1% of people can beat today's challenge. Test your brain with 50 rare exotic fruits from around the world. Comment your score, subscribe for more quizzes, and let's begin. Easy start. Can you guess this fruit? Is it dragon fruit or papaya? It's dragon fruit. Nice job. It grows on a cactus and has bright pink skin. Think fast. What fruit is this? Is it passion fruit or pomegranate? It's passion fruit. Inside are juicy seeds packed with flavor. Look closely. Do you know this fruit? Is it lychee or longan? It's lychee. It has rough red skin and sweet white flesh. Easy point or not? What is this fruit? Is it star fruit or mango? It's star fruit. Slice it open and you get a star shape. Can you name it? Is this papaya or guava? It's papaya. It holds dozens of black seeds in the center. Be quick. What fruit is this? Is it guava or feijoa? It's guava. Many guavas are bright pink inside. Most people know this one. Is it pomegranate or persimmon? It's pomegranate. It is filled with juicy ruby red seeds. Think fast. What fruit is this? Is it persimmon or mango? It's persimmon. It becomes extra sweet when fully ripe. Don't miss this one. Is it kumquat or loquat? It's kumquat. You can eat both the peel and the inside. Last easy one. What fruit is this? Is it coconut or pomelo? It's coconut. Nice job. It gives us water, milk, and oil. How many did you guess right so far? Comment below. Level up. Can you guess this fruit? Is it rambutan or lychee? It's rambutan. It has hairy skin and sweet flesh inside. This one is tricky. Is it durian or jackfruit? It's durian. It is famous worldwide for its powerful smell. Look closely. Is this mangosteen or plum? It's mangosteen. Many call it the queen of fruits. Can you get this right? Is it jackfruit or breadfruit? It's jackfruit. It can grow larger than a watermelon. Do you know this one? Is it cherimoya or sugar apple? It's cherimoya. Its creamy texture made it world famous. Quick guess. Is it physalis or cherry tomato? It's physalis. It grows inside a paper-like husk. Easy point. Is this tamarind or date? It's tamarind. It has a bold, sweet and sour taste. Look closely. Is it prickly pear or papaya? It's prickly pear. It grows directly on cactus pads. Many people miss this one. Is it longan or lychee? It's longan. Its name means dragon eye. Last one this round. Is it feijoa or guava? It's feijoa. It has a sweet tropical aroma. Enjoying the quiz? Hit subscribe for more challenges. Ready for more? Is this loquat or apricot? It's loquat. It grows in small clusters on trees. Think fast. Is it sapodilla or kiwi? It's sapodilla. It tastes sweet like brown sugar. Can you guess it? Is this sugar apple or cherimoya? It's sugar apple. It has soft, creamy flesh inside. Look closely. Is it pomelo or grapefruit? It's pomelo. It is the largest citrus fruit. Halfway there. Is this kiwi berry or grape? It's kiwi berry. You can eat it whole with the skin. Hard mode starts now. Is it guano or cucumber? It's guano. Inside is bright green jelly-like pulp. Experts only. Is it Buddha's hand or citron? It's Buddha's hand. It is loved for its strong citrus scent. Can you get this right? Is it salak or rambutan? It's salak. Its skin looks like snake scales. Look closely. Is it ackee or pear? It's ackee. It is the national fruit of Jamaica. Think fast. Is this soursop or custard apple? It's soursop. It has soft white flesh and tropical flavor. What's your score right now? Comment below. Hard one. Is it langsat or longan? It's langsat. It grows in hanging clusters. Quick guess. Is this breadfruit or jackfruit? It's breadfruit. It is often roasted or fried like potato. Most people fail this one. Is it santal or peach? It's santal. It has thick rind and juicy white pulp. Do you know it? Is it jabuticaba or grape? It's jabuticaba. It grows directly on the tree trunk. Look closely. Is this cupuaçu or cacao pod? It's cupuaçu. It is closely related to cacao. Can you name it? Is it pepino melon or mango? It's pepino melon. It tastes like melon and pear. Think fast. Is this tamarillo or tomato? It's tamarillo. It is also called tree tomato. Only fruit fans know this one. Is it black sapote or persimmon? It's black sapote. Its flesh looks like chocolate pudding. Tricky one. Is it meringue or durian? It's meringue. It has sweet, soft segments inside. Last hard one. Is this snake melon or cucumber? It's snake melon. It can grow long and curved. Only fruit experts reach this far. Subscribe if that's you. Impossible round. Is it monstera fruit or corn fruit? It's monstera fruit. It comes from the famous houseplant monstera. Can you get this one? Is it wood apple or bale fruit? It's wood apple. It has a shell as hard as wood. Most people fail here. Is it noni or guava? It's noni. It is famous for its very strong smell. Look closely. Is this finger lime or chili pepper? It's finger lime. Inside are tiny citrus pearls. Experts only. Is it miracle berry or cranberry? It's miracle berry. It can make sour foods taste sweet. Think fast. Is it hala fruit or pineapple? It's hala fruit. It looks like many pieces joined together. Can you guess it? Is this bale fruit or wood apple? It's bale fruit. It has a very hard woody shell. Look closely. Is it ice cream bean or pea pod? It's ice cream bean. Its white pulp tastes naturally sweet. Final two. Is this gac fruit or pumpkin? It's gac fruit. It has bright red flesh inside. Final one. Let's see if you know it. Is it safu or olive? It's safu. Nice job. It is also called African pear. How many out of 50 did you guess? Comment your final score.
How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's the smartest.